If you've ever gone to bed with acid reflux, burning in your chest, sore muscles that just won't relax, or joints aching from arthritis, you know how long the nights can feel. But what if a humble glass of baking soda water could offer relief? It sounds almost too simple to believe, but science is now backing what many natural healers have known for years. If you've ever tried to fall asleep only to be kept awake by burning acid reflux, sore muscles that ache from the day's activities, or stiff joints that just won't relax, you're not alone. Millions of people over 50 face these same nightly struggles. And while many reach for expensive medications or restless remedies, very few realize that one of the simplest solutions could already be in their kitchen. I'm talking about baking soda water, a natural, inexpensive drink that, when used correctly, may offer relief for issues ranging from heartburn and gout to kidney function and inflammation. The science behind it is growing, and some of the results are nothing short of fascinating. What makes this so interesting is how overlooked it is. You don't see commercials about baking soda water because there's no big profit in sharing natural remedies. Yet, study after study shows that it can be a safe, supportive aid for common health problems, especially when taken at night before bed. And today, we're going to explore exactly what baking soda water does, how to prepare it properly, and the specific benefits it can bring to your body. Hi, this is Marcus from Human Body Wellness, where we are dedicated to providing you with informative and educational content on healthy foods, drinks, and eating habits. Before we dive deeper into the powerful benefits of baking soda water, I want to warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. Here, you'll find practical, natural health tips designed to help you feel better, sleep better, and live healthier after 50. If natural remedies and science-backed solutions interest you, then you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. We're building a community of people who believe in simple, affordable ways to improve their health, and we'd love for you to be part of it. Now, let's explore the surprising health benefits that a simple glass of baking soda water at night can provide. Health benefits breakdown. Benefit 1. Relieves nighttime heartburn and acid reflux. We've all had those nights when heartburn creeps up just as we're trying to fall asleep. The burning in the chest, the sour taste in the throat, the tossing and turning. For many seniors, acid reflux becomes a nightly battle. This is where baking soda water can bring quick relief. When dissolved in water, baking soda becomes alkaline, meaning it can neutralize excess stomach acid. By lowering that acid level, it helps reduce the burning sensation and makes it easier for you to rest. In fact, a 2022 study published in BMJ Open Gastroenterology found that people who consumed bicarbonate-rich mineral water experienced significant improvement in heartburn symptoms compared to a placebo. This confirms what many natural health practitioners have suggested for years. While it's not a cure for chronic reflux, using baking soda water occasionally before bed may provide the comfort needed for a good night's sleep. Benefit 2. Reduces muscle soreness. Have you ever gone to bed after a long day of activity only to feel your legs and arms throbbing with soreness? It's a common problem, especially as we age, when our muscles take longer to recover. Baking soda water may help ease this discomfort. Here's why. During exercise or even regular daily movement, your muscles produce lactic acid. When too much builds up, you feel that stiffness and soreness. Baking soda acts as a natural buffer, helping to neutralize this acid and restore balance in your muscles. A 2019 study published in Frontiers in Nutrition showed that sodium bicarbonate supplementation improved recovery by reducing muscle fatigue and soreness after intense physical activity. This means your body can bounce back faster, and you may sleep more comfortably through the night. So for anyone dealing with lingering muscle aches, this simple nighttime drink could become a quiet but powerful ally. Benefit 3, supports kidney function. Our kidneys work around the clock, filtering waste and balancing fluids. But as we age, kidney function can slow down, especially for those dealing with chronic kidney disease. One common problem is metabolic acidosis, where the body becomes too acidic because the kidneys can't clear acid efficiently. This is where baking soda water may help. By supplying bicarbonate, it helps restore the body's acid-base balance, reducing strain on the kidneys. Over time, this can support better kidney performance. A 2021 meta-analysis found that patients with chronic kidney disease who took sodium bicarbonate had slower declines in kidney function and improvements in their blood chemistry. Even vascular health seemed to benefit. Of course, this isn't a cure, and it should only be used under medical guidance, especially for those already diagnosed with kidney issues. But for many, baking soda water may be a small step toward protecting long-term kidney health. Benefit 4, eases gout symptoms. Few things can disrupt a peaceful night like the sudden stabbing pain of a gout flare. It often attacks the big toe, leaving it swollen, red, and unbearably tender. For many seniors, these nighttime flare-ups can steal rest and energy. Baking soda water may help ease this pain by changing the chemistry of the urine. When the urine becomes more alkaline, uric acid dissolves more easily, making it less likely to form painful crystals in the joints. A 2024 study in the British Journal of Hospital Medicine highlighted how baking soda, when paired with uric acid lowering therapies, improved gout symptoms and supported kidney health. Patients experienced fewer flares and reported less discomfort. This doesn't replace prescribed medications, but it may be a natural complement to existing therapies. By alkalizing the body, baking soda water can make nights with gout less painful and mornings more bearable. Benefit 5, balances body pH. Our bodies work hard every day to keep the right balance between acidity and alkalinity. But modern diets, heavy in processed foods, sugar, and animal protein, often push the body toward being too acidic. Over time, this imbalance can stress organs, joints, and even the immune system. Baking soda water provides a simple way to support the body's natural buffering system. By adding bicarbonate, it helps neutralize excess acid and gently shifts the body toward a healthier pH. This doesn't mean the body becomes overly alkaline. It simply means there is less acid stress on the system. A 2024 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed that drinking bicarbonate-rich mineral water increased urinary pH and reduced the body's acid load. This shift can ease pressure on the kidneys and joints while also supporting overall wellness. It's a small adjustment, but balancing pH may bring noticeable improvements in energy and comfort over time. Benefit 6, helps with urinary tract issues. Urinary tract discomfort can be frustrating and often feels worse at night, disrupting sleep with frequent trips to the bathroom. Burning, urgency, and pressure are all common signs when the urine is too acidic and irritating to the bladder lining. Baking soda water may offer relief by raising the pH of urine, making it less acidic. This change can help soothe irritation and reduce that urgent, frequent need to urinate. A study published in the International Urogynecology Journal found that women who consumed sodium bicarbonate experienced a significant increase in urine pH, along with improvements in urinary frequency, urgency, and nighttime bathroom visits. Of course, this is not a replacement for medical treatment if an infection is present. But for ongoing discomfort tied to acidity, baking soda water may be a safe, simple option to ease symptoms and help the bladder rest more peacefully at night. Benefit 7, cancer research potential. Cancer is one of the most feared illnesses, and researchers are constantly looking for new approaches to slow its progression. One area of interest is the acidity that surrounds tumors. Cancer cells often thrive in acidic environments, which can encourage them to grow and spread. This is where baking soda has caught scientists' attention. By neutralizing acidity, it may help create conditions that are less favorable for cancer cell survival. A 2024 study published in Frontiers in Oncology found that sodium bicarbonate reduced tumor acidity in both animal and human case studies. In some cases, this shift even slowed cancer progression and improved survival outcomes. Now, to be clear, this is still early research. Baking soda water is not a cure for cancer, but its potential role in changing the tumor environment is promising, and it may one day complement medical therapies. For now, it highlights just how powerful this simple kitchen ingredient can be. Benefit 8. Relieves rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. For those living with rheumatoid arthritis, the nightly struggle often comes from stiff, aching joints that refuse to settle down. The inflammation is driven by an overactive immune system that mistakenly attacks healthy tissues. Surprisingly, baking soda water may help calm this immune response. Research published in the Journal of Immunology found that taking sodium bicarbonate shifted immune activity toward a more anti-inflammatory balance. It encouraged the body to produce more protective immune cells while reducing the overproduction of inflammatory ones. This shift doesn't cure arthritis, but it may ease flare-ups and reduce the intensity of pain. For many, it could mean fewer sleepless nights spent wrestling with aching joints. As with all remedies, this works best as part of a broader lifestyle approach: gentle exercise, a balanced diet, and medical guidance. Still, it's remarkable that something as ordinary as baking soda might help soothe such a complex condition. Safe usage guidelines. Now that we've explored the many potential benefits, it's important to understand how to use baking soda water safely. Timing is key. The best time to drink it is 1 to 2 hours after your last meal, right before bed. This way, your stomach has settled and the baking soda can do its job without interfering with digestion. Dosage should remain small. Half a teaspoon, which is about 2.5 grams, dissolved in 6 to 8 ounces of water, is usually enough. Make sure it's fully dissolved and sip slowly rather than drinking it all at once. Duration matters too. For most people, short-term use or taking it every other day for 2 or more weeks is sufficient to notice results. Long-term daily use is not recommended without a doctor's guidance because of possible side effects from too much sodium. When used mindfully, this simple drink can be both safe and surprisingly effective. Who should avoid baking soda water? Even though baking soda water can be helpful, it's not suitable for everyone. Certain health conditions make it unsafe, and knowing these limits is just as important as knowing the benefits. People with high blood pressure, heart disease, or kidney problems should avoid this remedy unless a doctor approves it. Baking soda is high in sodium, and even small amounts can raise blood pressure or place extra stress on the heart and kidneys. Those on a sodium-restricted diet or taking medications like diuretics, corticosteroids, or antacids should also be cautious, since baking soda may interfere with these treatments. Pregnant women should not use baking soda water without medical approval, as it can cause fluid retention and other complications. Finally, anyone prone to bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort may find that baking soda worsens these symptoms, since it releases carbon dioxide gas when mixed with stomach acid. If you fall into any of these categories, it's best to avoid this drink or talk to your healthcare provider before trying it. So what can we take away from all this? Baking soda water is not a miracle cure, but when used properly, it can offer real support for common health concerns. From easing acid reflux and gout to supporting kidney health and calming inflammation, the potential benefits are wide-ranging. The key is safe, mindful use. A small amount before bed, taken occasionally or every other night, may provide noticeable relief without overwhelming the body. Always remember, though, it's not meant to replace professional medical care. Think of baking soda water as a simple, natural tool that can help you feel more comfortable, sleep more soundly, and support your overall wellness. Combine it with a healthy lifestyle, and you may be surprised at how much difference such a humble ingredient can make. Thank you for joining us today. Stay well, and may your nights be more restful and your mornings brighter.